Okay, class, so for 2.4 Figma project, we're going to create a flyer, more of an informative PSA. Okay, so based on what we learned on the first lesson of ICV. So what you want to do here is the first thing, this is the instructions page. And what you want to first do is create your own page. So you're going to click on this plus icon and you're going to name it after you. Okay, so I'm going to put here Mr. Mendoza. Should be named after yourself. All right, so here, now we need a frame to create our content on. So next to the selection tool is the frame, the region tools, right? So we're going to click on the drop down menu and we're going to choose frame. You're going to see a bunch of preset frames on the right side of the screen right here. So you can decide which frame you want to use or template, doesn't matter. I'm going to go with desktop and I'm going to choose MacBook Pro. So this is the frame for a MacBook Pro, and now I can start designing. So again, you want to choose a law from the ICV project. So here it is, my ICV, and what I'm going to do is actually, let me go back to the top. So block 2. And here's legal and ethical responsibilities in information technology. So we're going to create something from this content. All right, so what I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to go directly to the student notes. And I'm just going to choose a law from here. So here's the CFA Act. Computer Security Act of 1987. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna, right now I'll select it. But what I want to do first is I'm gonna add my image. So I'm gonna use the tool, the shapes tool, to create a rectangular box, and I'm just gonna draw it out. Now when you draw a shape and you click and hold it to move around, you will see the alignment tools pop up. So let me move it slowly. There it is. Right here it's showing me that it's being aligned horizontally, and right here it's aligned both vertical and horizontal. Of course I just want it on the side, so I'm gonna extend it and I'm gonna let it snap to the edges of the frame. All right, and I'm gonna move this to where it snaps towards the middle of the page. Well, okay, I'll just keep it right here. So you decide on how you want to frame this. Now that I have a frame, I added a shape because I want to copy an image on here. Okay, so I know that I am working with the Computer Security Act of 1987. So I'm going to go to pixels.com to look for an image related to computers. So on my search, I use computer as my keyword to populate images that show something with a computer, right? So here we go. I'm going to stick with the images that I used before. So I'm going to use this one again. So all you have to do is right click and you copy the image. And back on Figma, with my shape selected, I'm going to paste it. So you can right click and paste, or actually just use your shortcut Control V, Command V if you're on a Mac, and it's going to automatically post clip inside of that shape. Okay. The next thing I want to do is add the title of the law I have chosen to do. So back on ICV, here it is selected. I'm going to copy that. And here on Figma, I'm going to create a shape because I want to overlay the shape on this shape tool. I want to overlay the text in this with this shape. So if you want to, when you see these white circles, handles, you can click and hold it to round off the edges. So I'm going to do that. Actually, I'm not, because then it rounds it off on the other side. Actually, I could, but no, I'm gonna keep it sharp. I am gonna add a drop shadow. Now, you can choose any color you want. I'm gonna go with black just because it complements the black inside of the image. And now I'm gonna add text. So I'm gonna click on my type tool and I'm gonna paste the text I copied from ICEV. And I'm gonna make this red. So the type options for my type tool are on the side. So for my color, I'm just gonna click on the red just so I can see it when I move it around. You can choose any font that you want. Notice that it is behind the shape. So on the left side of the screen, these are the assets you have on your frame. So I'm gonna select the Computer Security Act text and I'm gonna drag it to the top. Okay. That way it is overlaid on that rectangle shape that I just created. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the font larger because this is my title. There we go. All right. The reason it's overlaid is because I moved the actual text to the top. So these are all of the shapes. If I were to move the rectangle above it, it's going to cover it. And I don't want that. So I'm going to bring it below it and there it is. And I'm going to change this to a white. So I double clicked on it. I'm going to click on the color fill and I'm going to choose white. There we go. All right. So the next thing you want to do is add information on the law that you have chosen. So I'm just going to copy this from ICV. Just for the purposes of showing you how to do this. And back on Figma, again, I'm going to use the type tool, draw a type box, and I'm just going to paste the information on here. Now I'm going to do Control A to select it all. And what I'm going to do is decrease the font size to your liking. And of course, I need to modify the text because it was just copied. So I'm just going to move this. All right. Now it wasn't bullet, so I have to correct some of these things here. So right here, what I'll do, the Computer Security Act established. So I need to just modify that. And what I'll do here, so you will have to tweak it just a little bit, especially if it was in bullets. All right, so, and of course you're gonna add more content. If you grab the info from ICV, you wanna just add your source. So I'm gonna do the text tool again. I'm gonna put www.icvonline.com. If you use Wikipedia, please just, paste your source. Use the text tool to add your source, right? Now I'm just dragging it because I'm aligning it to the edge of this text, right? And so right here, if you add more text, I'll put here example text or paragraph. Okay. You can use bullets as well. All right, so there it is. So I'm gonna pretend that's another continuation body, and that's it. This is the complete assignment. You do not have to export it. Just keep it on your page, right? Please respect each other's pages. Do not delete content from other users. You are encouraged to just look at other individuals and see how they're doing it. Get inspiration, but get creative as you can. And so here's sorry about that. But this is how someone using a MacBook Pro would view this page, right? If they were using that. So that is 2.4 Figma.